नॉलेज विद नंदिनी। तो आज मैं आप लोगों को क्लास 9 बिहाइव द रोड नॉट टेकन चैप्टर की एक्सप्लेनेशन देने जा रही हूँ। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम। First stanza. Two roads diverged in yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler long. I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. As in this first stanza, the poet is trying to say that there are two roads which have separated along their way. Yellow wood means old forest, separated in the old forest. And sorry I could not travel, but if there are two roads, that you should have to choose only one path. So here are also two roads, the poet is saying. So he want to go in only one road. So he started staring, means he started looking carefully that which road he should go, and looked down as far as I could. He bent and he seemed to see that which road he should go. By this he can't able to understand. So to know more, next stanza, second stanza is: then took the other just as fair, and having perhaps the better calm, because it was gracy and wanted wear, though as for that the passing there had warned them really about the same. So the poet trying to say that people are using two roads or not. He want to know that, cause one road is gray, so he is thinking that which road he should go, but he can't able to get. It means that the road is visible to him or not, or the people are using that road or not really as the same. In third stanza, the poet tries to say both had made that morning equally lay in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how many leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. So he was one morning going to the both road again, but he can't able to stand which road he should go. But he was going for see that the people are using that road or not, because and he want to know what did the poet say that he want to know. The poet said that he was confused by getting the same. Last and the fourth stanza. I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere, ages and ages hence two roads diverged in wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that had made all differences. So here the poet is saying that heavy break when we come out, means from any trouble or when and any path we come out, we have to take a heavy break to come out. He has as came out from dilemma and conclusion. Now he want to rest ages to ages, means by the time to time, and the differences he has shown on the both roads he had gone. He diverged the road. And before ending this, I want to tell the moral. The moral is: the road not taken is take your own, means it tells that you should take your own decisions without any regrets, any hesitation. And the moral lesson that the frost conveys through the poem is that whenever life gives must make decision, life gives us choices, we must make decisions wisely. Means when you are getting chance for do anything, so you should take your decision so that you can go ahead to achieve your dreams and be successful. So thank you everyone. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel to get more amazing videos and explanations for class 9. You can comment to me on comment section. Thank you. Have a nice day. Have a good day.